Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my challenge. Today I'm gonna make a challenge of being homeless for one night in KL City, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So let's see what can I get. So what I brought is an empty wallet, a few ringgit for the train ticket, chargers, an empty bag. It's raining, it's not looking good, but let's see man. Let's go. Guys, apparently I came to the wrong station. I might have to head there. I just realized it halfway. Silly me. Let's go. Guys, it's raining right here. It's not looking good. I might have to find, a place to sleep though. I have no shelter, no food, no water. Now I'm right here. Yes, I understand. I need to get here. Go to the middle of a city. Let's go. We need to be here, so one stays in the way, bro. Guys, right now, I think the biggest challenge is that the first thing I reach there, I'm gonna have to find a way to get a food, man. I haven't eaten, I'm quite hungry. I seriously have no idea how am I gonna do it. Bro, are you kidding me? Can you believe this? I am going to be homeless with just a phone, man. With just a freaking phone. Guys, I'm here right now. First, I'm gonna find a place to stop by to see where can I find the food, man. Let's go. Man, this place is insane, man. It's like super crowded right now. Guys, right now I'm in one of the most famous city in Southeast Asia, man. Malaysia. Welcome to this place, I'm gonna figure out how to spend a night homeless right here. As I told you right now, we're at one of the greatest city, man. You should come here, like Southeast Asia shit. But right now I have one problem right now. I have no money for the food, so how can I get the food, man? Okay, why not? I'm gonna go to that place. I'm gonna see what's the cheapest food. 7-Eleven right now. I'm get some, maybe because I cannot afford some expensive food right now. I'm gonna just get some simple bread and stuff. Let's see how it's gonna get me, man. Alright, let's see. Okay, first of all, the bread section. I need 2 of it. Not 1, but 2 maybe to fill my stomach. How much is this, man? It's 1 ringgit 70 cents. Oh my god, it's expensive, bro. I mean, in a way, it's expensive. So let's see. Yo, I found a cheaper one. Oh my god, 1 ringgit and 20 cents. I'm gonna get 2 of these. 2 of these. So now I need like 2 ringgit 40 cents, or just 1 if I cannot afford. Just 1 ringgit 20 cents. And I'm gonna need like a water. Where can I find the cheapest water? Right here, cheapest water. 1 ringgit 50 cents. So I need approximately like 3 ringgit, man. 3 freaking ringgit. Where can I find that? How? Now that I know the price of the food that I need to get, I need approximately like 3 ringgit. Right now, Malaysian ringgit 3. So I can get like a small bottle of water and a piece of bread. I have no idea how to find the money right now. I need to like really think about it. I have an idea. I got an idea. I need to find some coins. Maybe if I could, gather some coins around, make it like sharp 3 ringgit, I'm gonna get some food, a bread and a bottle of water, and then we'll settle up for the shelter. Why not, right? Okay guys, right now what I need to do is challenge myself to actually find some coins. some drop coins, lost coins, so fallen coins, whatever you call it, let it be. If you'll spot it on the floor, just let me know, man. I need that a little bit of sense, at least. It's like 15 minutes, 20 minutes. I've been looking for a coin and I don't see no coin, bro. I'm getting hopeless, bro. I'm so hungry right now. I'm really hungry. I'm thirsty. I need some water and food. Subscribe, man. Subscribe to this channel right now. This is real, bro. This is not fake. I'm literally like singing here, bro. Can you imagine that? I'm trying to be homeless, man. This is such a crazy challenge, bro. I took it up, I'm glad. And now I really feel how hard it is to be a homeless guy, homeless person, man. Do not look down on them. Do whatever you can to help them without complaining, without doubting them, you know what I'm saying? We're just gonna do whatever we can, man. Let's do it, let's do it. I'm gonna take a rest for 5 minutes and note that I don't have any place to charge my phone right now. I really need to charge my phone afterward, and let's see if I can find any coins, get some food and water, and then go to like maybe a restaurant to like ask for a free charging place, man. I don't even know. I have no plan. This is all spontaneous homeless shit. We're just gonna do it, man. Let's go. Guys, I'm gonna show you one thing. For a moment, I got tricked, bro. I thought this is a coin. I was gonna scream, bro. What the hell? Let's go. Another one. Crap. What? Yo, my God! What? Oh my God! Yo! This is sick, bro. Damn. This is 90 cents. I need like 2 ringgit and 10 cents more to afford the 3 ringgit like water and bread. Oh, let's see if we can find another, like, I don't even know, bro. There's no such thing happening again. I'm a lucky dude, bro. I'm a lucky dude, man. I don't understand, bro. Unfortunately there's no coins here. Guys, we're just gonna keep walking, keep finding, keep looking for it. I believe there's more coins. There are more coins. Oh my God! Oh my, this is like 50s! So right now, I have like 1 ringgit 40 cents. I need like 1 ringgit 60 cents more to actually afford the bottle of water and the bread. Guys, guess what I found? You see that? Must be some people waiting for the bus and then, you know, dropped it. So we have like 30 cents. Yo! 30 cents right now. Guys, found it. Bro, sometimes you just gotta look far, man. Like all of a sudden, there's this kind of place. Just come in, look for the freaking coin. I saw it, bro. I saw it. Let's go. If only I could have that noodle, man. Wow. The last one that I found. I saw it, man. From afar. I was here. I saw it, bro. And I was here. I saw this thing. Oh my God. So right now, I have 3 ringgit and 10 cents, which means 10 cents extra. We're gonna go and get a bread and a water. Not gonna lie, let's go. Okay guys, here's the thing. I've worked my way all out from 0 to 3 ringgit and 10 cents. There's one old man right there. He needs food. I'm thinking of if I'm gonna buy the food for me or buy the food for him. I'm super hungry, but I think man, let's do some good stuff. Let's do some charity. I'm gonna ask him if he needs food. I'm gonna donate my money to him. You see, I'm sweating all the way, man. I'm not lying. Let's do it. You need food? You need makan? You want roti? Let's go. You need the water? Alright, let's go. Guys, now it's our mission, man. Guys, I just completed my mission. 3 ringgit and 10 cents to get a bread and a bottle of small water. So right now I'm gonna donate the food and drink to him. Let's go. Show some respect, alright? Okay. Let's go. Mission accomplished, man. Not gonna lie. I'm not gonna eat any food because I don't have energy and I don't have enough battery to go looking for points and recording. I guess I'm just gonna find a shelter. I need a shelter like to actually sleep. Find a place to chill down and sleep. I need a place to charge my phone. So let's go. Forget about the food. I'm feeling good, so I'm not feeling hungry anymore. Next place, most probably, I'll be going to the McDonald's. I'm gonna try my best to find a place to charge my phone, or else I'm dead, bro. You know what I'm saying? I don't have any place to charge my freaking phone. Let's go. Bro, look what I got, man. I hope I can use this. I hope it can be used, man. Right now I'm charging my phone. I'm super hungry and tired, thirsty. I'm still charging my phone right now and it's 1 a.m. and 38 minutes. 1:38 a.m. Insane. I'm super exhausted. I actually fell asleep in the McDonald's. But right now, I just got up from there. My next mission is to find a shelter, to find a place to sleep. Are you seeing this? The crowd has decreased. Guys, there's one place that I heard, you know, it's been a while. Everyone's going to that place. It's called TRX. Right now, I'm just walking straight to that place. Why not? That's the building I'm talking about, bro. You'll see that? I'm thirsty and hungry, and I fell asleep. Yo, guys, we're reaching this place. It's like some kind of like a mini park right here. You can walk all the way to that freaking tall building. You see this? This freaking tall building? Wow, it's huge. Guys, this is what everyone has been talking about. TRX. I know there's no light, you cannot really see it. This place most probably is my place to sleep. It seems like I'm really homeless. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna hit the bed right now. Enjoy the view. Enjoy everything. Good night, homies. It's 4 a.m. right now. I couldn't sleep well because of the mosquitoes. I was sleeping up on there. Let's move here. I just want to get rid of those mosquitoes, man. It's too much of mosquitoes, man. I can't take it. I couldn't sleep, man. I need to move, man. You know what I'm saying? Imagine, bro, I am doing this for one night. How about those? It's really homeless. That's crazy, man. That's really insane. Cuckoo, there's the shit. I'm the king. I'm conquering the city right now. There's no one but me. Guys, the security guard just told me that I can't sleep here, you know. So I gotta move my ass to another place unless I'm sitting down. But right now I feel like I wanna close my eyes and stuff. I just wanna rest. So yeah, I might need to move, man. Alright. Let's move, man. I'm gonna chill right here for a while, alright? I'll probably sleep on this table. I'm gonna leave this place. I took like a short nap and you know, I was looking at the view, daydreaming. Let's get out of here. I'm gonna head back home right now. The train is open. I'm coming home. Coming home. Tell the world that I'm coming home. Let the rain wash away. Let's go. All the pain of yesterday. I'm not sure if I got the lyrics correct, man. Guys, believe me or not, I boarded the wrong train, man. I'm so exhausted right now, and I still boarded the wrong train. Are you kidding me? Yo, the train is here. Lucky ass, man. The train is here. Yo guys, I'm gonna end my video right here. Thank you so much for staying with me. Appreciate that. As I said, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go subscribe. Press the like, share, man. Drop a comment down below. Let me know which place you want me to travel. See if I can survive homeless or with home. Doesn't matter. If you want to sponsor me for my recording gear, because right now I'm using like a cheap tripod and an old iPhone, hit me up, DM me. You wanna fly me somewhere else to see if I can survive? Hit me in the DM. I'm gonna reply to you. Don't worry about it. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you for being with me for this homeless night. Stay tuned for my next video. Peace out. Thank you so much. Appreciate that.